students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn a new topic again, and that is rounding to the nearest 10. To make it understand, you need to know I have drawn a house here. It's 20 to 30. So between 20 and 30 there are a few numbers like 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So here, as you can see, from 0 to 4. If the right side numbers are reading 0 to 4, this number, the particular number will go rounding down. That means it will remain to the same 10. Example, as it is, if it is 34, you see the right side number, as it is 4, it will go round, it will round down. That means the 10 will be, the nearest 10 will be 30. The nearest 10 will be 30. If the numbers are more than 4, that means from 5 to 9, then it will go to the next house. That means the number will go to the next 10. Such as if the number is 36, look at here, the right side number. If the right side number is 6, that means number is between 5 to 9. Because after 5, 6 comes. That means this 6 comes between 5 to 9. That means this number will go round up. That means that it will go to the next 10. So, what do you think? What will be the number? 30 or 40? It will be 40. As it is more than 4, this number will go to the next 10. This 10 will change to the next one. One more will be added here. Is it clear to you? So, if you are clear, we can go for the book activity, page 64. You see, round to the nearest 10. It's 32. The first example is, it's page 64. First one is 32. So as you can see, the right side number, it's between 0 to 4. That means 0, 1, 2. It will go round down. That means this 10 will remain same. So it will be 30. It will not change. Then if we go for the next example, 27, you see this 7, it's more than 4. That means it's going between 5 to 9. For 25, it's 5, 6, 7. That means this 7 will take this number to the next 10. That means it will round up and it will go to next 10, 30. So if it is clear, I hope it's clear to you, and I expect you can finish all the activities regarding nearest 10. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty. You know, I discussed a math topic in the previous class. Before going to another class, I want to review the previous class for a bit. Look at here, it's 1, 0, 10, 2, 0, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I wrote it as you already know that. But here we can read it like this. It's 1, 0, 10, so 1, 10. We can read it 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8 tens, 9 tens. We can read it this way as well. So in reality, rounding to nearest 10, you can see from 0 to 4, all the numbers will go to the previous 10. And from 5 to 9, all the numbers will go rounding up. That means it will go to another 10. Next 10. So I gave you the example already. It's like 4, 7. Oh, sorry, 4, 4. This number, this 4 comes with it from 0 to 4. So it will be 4, 10. It will remain in 4, 10. Same tens. The tens is not changing here. But in 4, 7, you can see this number will go. This 4 comes
from 5 to 9. So it will go, this 10 will change and one more will be added with this 10. So it will go to the next 10. So it's 4, 10 and now it will be 5, 10, 50. But I want to discuss 3-digit numbers here. Like in 3-digit numbers, 239 and this is 2321. Look at here. You can see it's 239. So how can we do this rounding to nearest 10 in these numbers? As we already learned that we have to count the last digit, the right side digit, rightmost digit of the numbers. So look at here. This is 9. What is it? 9. And 9, when we see 9 in the right side number, so it goes, the number comes from 5 to 9. That means it will be rounding up. And here I'm going to change only the tens number because we are doing rounding in 10. We are doing rounding in 10. So I will change only the tens number here. So it will be 2, 4, 0. Is it clear, everyone? I hope it's clear. Now, for this example, you can see what can I do. As I already told, in rounding to nearest 10, we have to count the right side number here. Here, this is 1, and in way 1 comes from 0 to 4. So when the number comes from within 0 to 4, it will round down. That means the tens will not change here. The tens will not change here. That means the tens will not change. That means the 3 to 0. This 10 will remain same. We can do this maths, the 3-digit nearest 10 in this way. You can do page number 65. We learn number page 65 in this way, following this pattern. I hope it's clear to you. Now I'm going to go for nearest 100. I'm going to discuss nearest 100 with you. It's 200, 20, 210, 220, 230, 240. So we will do rounding to nearest 100. In rounding to nearest 100, you have to read the numbers this way: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 and 900. So here you can see after 200, 210, 220, 230, 240 and then 250, then 260, 270, 280, 290 and this is 300. So we are going to learn how we can do the rounding to nearest 100. So all the numbers that comes from 200 to 249. The numbers that within this 49, 0 to 49, this 0 to 49, it will be rounding down. That means this 100 will not change. This 100 will not change. Now as for 250 to 90, that means it's from 250 to 299. All the numbers will go rounding up. That means this 100 is going to change here. This 100 is going to change. In the previous one, we changed only the tens number, but as we are doing nearest 100, we have to change the hundreds place. We have to change the hundreds place. So you can see, if you make it tougher, that what is units, this is tens, and this is 100. So in nearest 100, we are going to change the 100 plus. We are going to change the 100 plus only. Okay, so I'm giving you some examples here following the book. So if I give you 201, you can see in 201, this 1, right side number. This right side number is 1, that it belongs to, comes up to 49. It didn't go beyond 49. If the number is up to 49 or within 49, this 100 will remain same. The 100 will remain same. I can give you another example from book. This is 214. 214. Look at here. If here is 14, the tens place, you can count. When we are doing the rounding to nearest 100, we will change or we will count the tens place. Look at here. This is 1. That means it's 110. So if it is 110, that belongs to, that comes with up to 49. In that case, I am not going to change the hundreds place here, right? So it will remain, the 100 place will remain same. The 100 place will remain same. So if I write here, it's 352. So look at here, this 352, this 50, it comes here. So as we already know that when the numbers, the tens place comes to 5, the number goes rounding up. The number rounds up. That means this 100 will go to, now we will count the numbers to next 100. So as it is 52, I'm going to change the 100 place here. I have to change it. This is the rules. It will be nearest to 400. Is it clear, everyone? So I'm giving you another example from book, that is 650. Another example is 650. So this 650. What about that? This 50. We already know it's 50. That means it will round up, and this 100 will change from 700. So is it clear? I hope it's clear to you all. Thank you all for listening to me with patience. I hope you are keeping yourself safe and you are utilizing your time by doing your studies and creative works. Thank you all, and I hope you stay safe. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.